10 most important things to do after installing WordPress and creating your website. Hi, Tommy Olsson here. Yes, this is what we're going to talk about in this video. In an earlier video, I showed you how to easily create a website, blog with Hostinger. I use Hostinger because it's cheap and trustworthy and fast. But let's now get into these 10 things you need to be doing. First, we're gonna take SEO and such. I have it marked the post name, because then the keywords that I've chosen for the title of the post will show, and that's good for search engine optimization and so on. The SEO plugin helps me to find out what I need to improve on my posts and pages. So optimize your pages and all of your blog posts with the SEO plugin. Nobody likes a slow website, so you need to have some kind of a plugin to speed up your site as much as possible. Because if the site takes more than 3 seconds to load, then people may leave it. I have, for instance, Lightspeed Cache plugin here, but there are other ones to use as well. So that your site is safe and so on. And when it comes to getting spam on your blog post, you should have a plugin to block these spam posts as well. There are different ones that you can choose from. You should also connect Google Search Console to see what kind of traffic you get to your site, so that you know how your content is doing. You should connect all your social media accounts to your website and blog to make it easier to share your content, and also this way you get, when it comes to the legal things on your blog and website, is that you need to have pages about your terms and privacy policies. But I've left a link in the description of the video where you can copy and paste when you're creating these pages. Alright, so there you have it, about the 10 things you need to do after creating. Would you be interested to get your websites and WordPress blogs set up fast and easy with Hostinger? Then click the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.